Welcome to Tiny Bitu. Today we are going to see how to create new item in Tiny POS software. This is the Tiny POS billing software dashboard. Go to the item creation, click it here, and you will get the entire item what you was created previously. If you want to create new item, go to add, click it here. You will get the item creation screen. If you have the barcode in the item, you can scan that barcode, or else we will create our own barcode. Say for example, already last item created item barcode number is 59, so I will give the number 60. For example, I will create one item badam milk, so I will select the category hot beverages. If you want to select the HSN code, you can select, or else give none. Right now I will select the HSN code 8315 which was created already. Here you give the unit as number. You will enter the cost price, the landing cost, and basic MRP, cost price, and basic price. Here choose the tax. So tax slab, inclusive or exclusive. I will select inclusive tax. So sales price also same, 25 rupees. If you want to add the image also, it is possible by through choose by. Here I will select the image, click save. Here once you save the item creation, it will reflect here. If you want to crash check that one, go to POS screen. Here click hot beverages. You will get the item. Once you select the item, so entire detail what you was created in the item creation, it is reflecting in the billing screen. Thank you.